In today's lecture, we will continue CSS border. So we have border properties in CSS. So there are so many border properties are there. One of the property which we have discussed in last lecture, which is border dash style. Style property is used to create different style of border. So these are the style: dotted, dash, solid, double. These are the different styles to set the border. For example, in this program, there is a paragraph and one heading is there. So to this paragraph we want to give border. For that purpose we have written this internal CSS inside the head tag, and the style tag is used to write the CSS. The CSS code is this one, where we are setting a style to the tag P. P is the element. So first we write element, then opening curly bracket, and between opening and closing curly bracket there is one property, CSS property is written, which is border dash style. So this property will be set, and here we are giving the different styles of border. In this example we are giving 4 styles at once. In this case what happens, the different borders will be applied. Suppose you give only one style, for example dotted, so all the border will be dotted. So there are 4 sides of border: top, right, bottom and left. This is the sequence is followed whenever you use this kind of values, 4 values: dotted, dash, here we have written, then solid we have written, then double. So all these 4 value will be set for different sides of the border, different phase of the border. Dotted will be set for the top border, then dash is the right border, then bottom border is solid, and left border is double. So what is the sequence? Top, right, bottom, left. So this is the result. This program is executed in the browser. So here you will get all the 4 sides of border like this. This is the paragraph. Top border is dotted. This is right border dash. Bottom border is solid, and left border is double border. Now we will discuss few more properties. So these are the properties which are the extension of border style property. So there are 4 separate properties are also there, so that we will see. First one is border dash top dash style. So this is just extension of border dash style property. So border dash top dash style property is used to set different style of top border. So only top border will be set, no other border, but only top border will be set. Similarly, we have separate property for different side of the border. First one is border dash top dash style. Second one is border dash right dash style. Third one is border dash bottom dash style. And fourth one is border dash left dash style. For example, suppose here you are using border dash top dash style. Here if you are giving for this paragraph border dash top dash style, and the value here, only one value should be given because the property is specific to the top border. So only one value we are giving, which is dotted. So dotted border will be set at the top. Only top border will be set. So there are separate properties are there to set the separate border style. Then the next property is border dash width. So border dash width property is used to set the width of border. Means this border width can also be increased. For that purpose this property is used. The values of this property, the width you can give in terms of pixels, or in terms of point, or in terms of em, etc. So these are the different unit you can give the width. For example, width you can give 5 pixels or 10 em. This kind of width you can see. Em we will see afterward. Okay, em is one of the unit. Another style, there are 3 fixed values are also there, which is thin. Then you can also give medium and thick. Medium and thick. These 3 values, constant value. These are the fixed value that also you can use. So for example, here border top style I am giving solid. Border width I am giving 20 px, 20 pixels. So both the property here I am using border style as well as border width to this paragraph. So only top border you can see, the top border width is 20 pixels, but if you want you can give different width also. Border dash, here I am giving only border dash style solid, so all the border will be solid and width is 20 pixels for all the border. So all 4 border will be displayed and the width is 20 pixels. Okay, so here if I use border dash style property, so there are 4 borders are there. The border width property also having their extension. The name of properties are border dash top dash width. Only top border width will be set. Similarly, border dash right dash width, then border dash bottom dash width, and border dash left dash width. There are these 4 separate properties are there. So this also you can also set different width for different border. For example, here you can set 5 pixel for example, then you give space 10 pixels, then 20 pixels, then 30 pixels. So all the 4 border values, width values you can give at once also, same as border style. Okay, in border style you can give 4 values. Here in border width also you can give 4 values, or you can use the 4 separate properties, 4 properties separately, whatever you want. If you use 4 properties separately, so whichever border you want you can give, but here you have to give the 4 values for each border. So here the 5 pixel will be set to the top, then this is 10 pixel is right, 20 pixel is bottom, and 30 pixel is left border. These 4 there are different widths will be set. This is 5 pixel, this is 10 pixel, this is 20 pixel, and this is 30 pixel. So this is the result. Now next property is border dash color. So border dash color property is used to set the different colors of border. For example, here suppose I am using border dash color, and color suppose I am using red. So red color border will be displayed, and border color is red, border is solid, and all this width of border will be shown. All these things will be applied. So here border color is red. Now suppose you want to give different colors to different border, so the same thing here you can use. Here you can use red, blue, then yellow. So red will be the top, then this is right, bottom, and left. So 4 different colors for 4 borders like this. So this is the output, where this is top border. First here whatever color we have written, so that will be applicable to top. This is right, this is bottom, this is left. Okay, pink is left. So it will be rotated in the clockwise direction. Next property is border. This kind of property is called as shorthand property. Shorthand property means in this property, in border property, you can give border width, you can give border style, you can also give border color. These 3 value can also be given. So instead of using so many properties separately, you can use this property, border property. Okay, border followed by colon, then first is the width of border, suppose 5 pixels, 5 px. Second value after space is style, which is solid. Suppose I am giving solid. After space you can give the color, for example red. So here border is set to this paragraph, 5 pixel border, solid, and red color border. So here we are using the shorthand property to paragraph. For paragraph, other property can also be applied. For example, if you are using background dash color, which already we have discussed background property, then we are discussing border property. So border dash color is suppose light gray. So background of this paragraph is light gray and border color is red. Okay, this is the result. Here both the property we are using, border and background color. So these all about the border property. There are so many border property. You can also create the border with rounded corner. Here you can see the corners are sharp. Corners are not rounded, but you can also display the rounded corner. So for that purpose, here there is one more property which we will see. The name of property is border dash radius. This property is used, border dash radius. to create the rounded border. The value of this property will be given in terms of pixels. For example, here I am giving it is, for example, 5 pixels. 5 pixels semicolon. Now I will refresh it. So now see the corners are not sharp, corners are curved. Even if you want, you can increase the radius also. Okay, so now it's showing the 15 pixels curve, radius of the circle. You can assume a circle here. Okay, यहाँ पे आप ऐसा circle assume करो जिसका radius कितना 15 pixels. So this is the result. Border properties are over.